Hello, a little less chaos and slightly better rates. That's what the mortgage broker has to say this morning. So stay tuned for my video today. We'll talk about where current interest rates are, some price points for medium pricing in Milpitas, and then I've got a couple new listings I'd like to talk about and some open houses. So let's dive into interest rates. So this week felt a little like the market was less exhaled. Several weeks of rates grinding higher and mortgage pricing improved as tensions in the Middle East eased and oil prices backed off a bit. What that stood out most is that even though rates are still elevated, buyers are still buying. New home sales came in stronger than expected, and the labor market continues to hold up well. So that tells me something important. Life decisions are still important to most people. Families need more space. People still need to relocate. Job changes are in the mix, and retirements happen. So there's lots of opportunities for buying and selling and movement in the market. And it's all about strategy. And I was just telling my videographer, I wrote an offer yesterday for a buyer in Milpitas. It's in the Hillcrest area. It's the large 3389 square foot home. List price is 3.2. We're coming in very strong, 400,000 over list. And we'll see where that lands in if we get an acceptable offer on that property. So buyers are there. So let's look at what the current interest rates are today. 30-year fixed is a little bit lower, so it's at 6.49. 15-year fixed is at 5.99. 15-year fixed jumbo 6.5, and 15-year fixed jumbo is at 6%. So hopefully, as tensions ease and continue to ease in the Middle East, that we'll see better pricing in the market. So I thought there was an interesting article in the San Jose Mercury News yesterday that I wanted to share with you. And it talked about growth is critical to housing's health. We know that when we have a strong economy, stock market is good, been very good and rebounded since the last 60 days. Job postings are good, and that is what accounts for a healthy market here. So the article goes on to say, jobs, jobs, jobs. That's the secret sauce for California home prices. We do know that we're on the low inventory side, meaning supply of housing is low, demand remains high, so that will continue to press upward in terms of home pricing that I see in the future. So where are we at with average home pricing? I looked at the report from the Santa Clara County Board of Realtors for April 2026. The average home price in Milpitas for single family home is $1,768,466, and the average condo price is $1,190,000. By the way, average days on market in Milpitas is only 15 days, and I think that's very, very true. I tell a seller if they haven't sold their home in 2 to 3 weeks or got a good offer, there's something majorly wrong with the property, their location, we've got it priced too high, or the condition is inferior. So I always visit a price reduction within 2 to 3 weeks when a home is on the market. Don't want to leave it on much longer than that. And we were able to do that with the condo, where I dropped it the $50,000, and then we got that sold right away. So that's key. So the other piece of data I want to share with you is that the median sales price in Milpitas was actually, offers came in at 106,000% above list price. So there's still multiple offers going on for select and good properties. Today there's 33 homes for sale in Milpitas, and we have 18 pending sales. So strong seller's market, very good. Let's dive into where we're at with the new listings coming up. I've got 1865 Big Bend Drive in Milpitas coming up. That's in the Parktown area. It's the Senate Elementary School, which is the #1 school in Milpitas. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We'll have that priced around $1,599,000. Should be a good price, and it's in very, very good condition. So I should get the keys at the end of this month, and then we'll go through a small prep phase, staging and photos. So I'll talk about that in a couple weeks and let you know when that's going to be ready. And then open house slated for 453 Taylor Drive in Milpitas. That's a 5-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,700 square foot home in Sunny Hills. The contractor will start next Monday. We're going to take the popcorn off the ceiling, do recessed lighting, all fresh paint inside, new LVP laminate flooring downstairs, and then all the bedrooms will be carpeted, brand new. So should look really, really nice when we get that one ready. And the price point on that is $1,650,000. I do have an open house scheduled on the books for Saturday, Sunday, June 20th and June 21st. And then coming up this weekend again is 3372 Mildred Lane in Lafayette. Asking price $1,295,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, very nice home, has a swimming pool in good schools, good area. So that's what we've got going. We're closing 1550 Clear Lake Avenue, the condo next week, closing 247 Delia Street in San Jose this Friday. And then next week, we're closing the duplex 319-321 Lynn Avenue, also in Milpitas. So closings are coming. Sellers are happy, getting the prices that they want. If you want to get your home ready, please call me at 408-945-8988 or an email at giordanodj@aol.com. Have a nice rest of the week. Enjoy the great weather we've got, and we'll see you next Monday with a new report about Milpitas and what's going on in the real estate market. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.